everyone, welcome to Litigation Help. My name is Heather Hui-Litwin. In this video, I'd like to share with you my top 3 favorite online public legal education resources that have been created by individual law firms. These resources are great both for the general public as well as legal professionals who want to learn a little bit more about an area of law that they're not familiar with. I have actually used these resources myself to keep up with my own continuing education. And the amazing thing is they're all free. So the first one I want to share with you today is the Twitter feed Corollary Relief. And it's by lawyer Shmuel Stern. He tweets pretty much every day, maybe several times a day, on the latest interesting cases and updates in family law. So every morning when I start the day, I always enjoy seeing his feeds, his tweets right on my feed. Right, so this is Corollary Relief here. So for example, recently he had a tweet that says, can accumulation of child support arrears under a court order be used as grounds to strike pleadings? He also posts information about practice matters. So for example, trials, law motions, Hague hearings, appeals, back in person. So I find that this is a really, really great feed that I watch if you want to continue to, if you want to be as updated on the latest on family court matters. My second shout out is also in family law. I recommend Russell Alexander's webinar series. And actually, for example, the one coming up in December is called Christmas Access During the Pandemic. And again, these webinars are free. Now, I'm going to give you an example of some of the topics that they've gone through before. I'm now here, I'm on the event, on their Eventbrite page. Now, don't worry, I will have the links to all of these pages that I mentioned in the description box below. But here, as you can see, they have they've done quite a few number of webinars already. I attended, this is the one I attended recently, Case Lines and How to E-File Your Divorce Documents with the Court, which is really, really useful. I really, really enjoyed it. I learned a lot. They actually did it again before in September. If you're going through a divorce or separation and you want to find out a little bit more information, you can attend these webinars. Also, I want to call your attention to their website as well. So here's their website, Family LLB, Ontario Divorce Education Center. So here is just tons and tons and tons of information. You can just have a browse through yourself. And again, this is lots of information for the general public to educate yourselves about family law. And if you are a legal professional and you're a little bit short on your CPD hours, you can also come here to attend a few of the webinars, because you can see that some of these are in fact accredited for the CPD credits with the Law Society. So my final shout out today is to estate law firm Hull & Hull. And they also offer free weekly estate planning and will drafting webinars, and these run every Thursday. I've attended a number of them as well, and I'm trying to make it a habit to attend them every single Thursday, because I thought I really enjoyed them. They're very clear. I really like the format that they're presented. It's basically Ian Hall and Jordy Ayton, they have a kind of like a dialogue going. So it's like a panel, a conversation type of presentation, which makes it a lot easier to engage. And of course, they also have a live sort of like Q&A at the end. So you can ask your questions if you have any questions. Now, the thing is though, these are for lawyers. Okay, I also want to bring your attention to eState Academy, which is offered by Hull & Hull. And so this is actually a free e-course that's on the fundamentals of estate planning. You can come to this page, and there's a little introductory video that Jordy will explain what the course is about. And of course, you can just take a look here at the course curriculum. It's not a course that takes like months, so it's very, very accessible. The little lessons are only a few minutes in length, so you can just kind of do it at your own time. I did take it a few months ago, and I really enjoyed it. So I highly recommend this to anyone who would like to learn a little bit more about estate planning. And finally, before I go, I just want to bring your attention to Hall & Hall's website of resources. They have a resources page for the general public and for other legal professionals. So don't forget to check that out as well. It's got tons and tons of information. Okay, so I hope that will be helpful to you. If you have any of your favorite law firms that have a fantastic public legal education, please feel free to share that in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next time. Bye.